Hello everyone, I am Nalini from the Venkateshwar School. Today I am telling you the basic anatomy of MS PowerPoint 2010. So let's get started.
MS PowerPoint is a software basically we are using for making PowerPoint presentations. We can show something in the presentation view in the presentable form. That's why we are using this software. And this software is highly using in the corporate companies and the offices and schools also for making projects, students making projects on it. Yes, so this is the same thing. This is called the title bar, and in my last video I told you the some basic things in a basic anatomy of MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So the title bar is same in every these three things. See, the new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, this is the default name of your this window or this page. So you can default name of the when you open it the Microsoft PowerPoint, this is called the default name. So you can easily change the default name, and by the help of save and save as button, and this is minimize, maximize and the close button. Minimize for minimize the window, maximize for maximizing it, and this is for close for quitting the MS PowerPoint window. Now the next thing is, this is quick access toolbar. This is the save button, this is undo, this is redo, and this is the one is adding here, that is called start from the beginning. Or you can say that, or also say that this is called slideshow. When you're done with the PowerPoint, you can see from here the slideshow, and see the F5 is the slideshow shortcut key. Now this is customize quick access toolbar. We can use this button for customize our quick access toolbar. Now the next thing, this is menus, or we can say that tabs, and according to the tab your next thing is ribbon, and the ribbon will change according to the tabs. See, my ribbon is changed. When I'm choosing design tab, my ribbon is changed according to the design tab. Now transitions, animations, slideshow, review, view and help. Yes, this is called ribbon, and ribbon change according to the tabs or menus. After the ribbon, this is what this is called slide pan. We can say also say that outline pan. Here you can when you add one two or more slides, these slides are showing here. Right now I am using only one slide, so this is the numbering is 1 only, and when you add in, so number 2, number 3, number 4, like this, easily add in here. And this is what this is called slide, the page that we are working on it, or we can we will work on it. So this is called slide, and this is called slide pan or outline pan. On the slide we are making the things or adding things in our slide, and you can choose. See, when I'm adding number 2 slide here, so we can easily switch on the slides like this. You choose from here, your slide is here, the full form of your slide showing here. Now the next is this showing here like this. So this is slide, and slide is your working area in MS PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now next is click to add notes. Yes, here what is this called? This is called notes pan. So we can easily add our notes here. This is called notes pan. Now the next is again here status bar. On the status bar, the information of your slide is showing here. Now what's showing is your slide number, and this is the language, what language right now I'm using. So this is shows here, and after this here the zoom in, zoom out, and the view, slideshow view, and this is called reading view. Okay, so this is called status bar, or we can say that this is called view bar. On status bar, this is called view bar, this thing. Okay, and what is this? This is scroll bar. Okay, we can easily scroll it by the help of this scroll bar. So this is the basic anatomy of MS PowerPoint presentation. Thank you so much.